Salzburg's Cathedral, constructed in the early 1600s, was one of the first grand Baroque buildings north of the Alps. It's Sunday morning. The 10 o'clock Mass is famous for its music, and today it's Mozart. Enter the cathedral, and you're immersed in pure Baroque grandeur. Since it was built in only about 15 years, the church boasts particularly harmonious art and architecture. In good Baroque style, the art is symbolic, cohesive, and theatrical, creating a kind of festival procession that leads to the resurrected Christ triumphing high above the altar. Music and the visual art complement each other. The organ loft fills the church with glorious sounds as Mozart, 250 years after his birth, is still powering worship with his musical genius.